Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a pretty unique car. You don't see these very often. This is a 1961 Ford Galaxie that has a fresh rotisserie restoration, all painted body color underneath. 390 with a mild cam. Great paint.
You see some Starliners, which is the different roof line, but when's the last time you've seen one of these?
I haven't. That's why I got kind of excited and bought it. That and the condition, you know, the dash is beautiful, all painted body color underneath, very nice. Some nice upgrades, 4,500 miles on a rotisserie frame off restoration.
And you can tell when they did it, they did a hell of a job. It's got a great stance.
Upgraded to LED headlights, lowered it a couple inches so it gives that really good stance.
Wow, look at that.
It's just different, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, if you're looking for something at a car show that you're not gonna see another one like it there, this is the kind of car, and then the quality is awesome. You know, it's got the best of everything: power steering, brakes, serpentine belt system, air conditioning.
Even the paint on the bottom side of the hood, all the inner fenders, they can tell you have everything apart, never painted over any of these bolts, just very nice.
Yeah, and there is some photographs, I don't know if you said that, there's some photographs of the restoration showing all that too, so.
I like what they did with the air cleaner, the valve covers.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, power brakes, drilled and slotted disc.
I kind of wish there was a little sun, because that paint really pops in the sun. It's got a lot of nice light metallic in it.
It does, it's really pretty color. So upgraded LED headlights, brand new front bumper, that's got a great shine on it. Grill's original, but still looks good. You can just kind of tell when you get up close it's the original grill. Looks like it's got a tranny cooler or something up there along with that big aluminum radiator. Hood lines up great.
Now you can kind of tell the metallic in your video there, but
yeah,
all the pictures, it was sunny when I was taking the pictures, so. Something about turquoise and white too. It's like my favorite color combination. Look what they did as far as on the top of the hood, how everything matches up so nicely.
Really car. You don't see many of these restored to this condition. You just don't see them.
To restore a car to this condition, I don't care what kind of car it is. I mean, if you got to do a lot of paint work and body, a lot of body work and stuff, I mean, you're talking a minimum of $60,000.
Correct. Plus, for something like this too, even just finding those little parts for a car like this is very hard to find.
Some people really enjoy that stuff though. It's the hunt, right?
Yeah.
It's the hunt and the search. Corners of the doors are perfect. Just like I said, you can tell the quality of everything was taken off, painted properly, put back together.
I like the turquoise and white, door panels, jam paint's very nice.
You said the paint on the dash, the aftermarket digital radio.
They went ahead and put a chrome tilt steering column in it, which just makes it nice. Aftermarket RetroSound radio, little gauge pod down there. Door jam.
You want to show them a little bit so I don't have to go to our website, just what it looks like underneath you quick?
Yeah, see if I can get a good camera shot, but all painted, body color underneath. Very nice. Back seat's excellent.
We've left this thing run the whole time. I'll shut it off.
Yeah. Very pretty. And I like
this. Kind of shows some of the parts in the trunk, D.
Comes with, the guy kept a lot of the original parts, so that comes with it as well if you want to put the original column back in it.
Not a big deal, but trunk jam is gorgeous. I mean, they didn't skimp on any of it.
No. And I love that little wing, and it goes right into the door handle. How they had that. How
just
they
like
designed
the
that
T-Birds kind of had a little of that going back in the early '60s too. Window goes up and down nice.
Chrome taillights, all that's very nice. Trunk lines up good. I like the chrome exhaust tips, the dual exhaust.
We just got done driving that 1963 Ford, which was a nice car, but this is just the next step up,
Yeah. Yeah, the colors.
You can hear the electric fan.
Yep.
We shut it off. But look at the gaps on the front of the door, back of the hood. There's a couple tiny little imperfections here in the paint. Just real small right here. See it?
Yeah.
It's very small, like something got into it when they painted it.
Yeah, I wish I had some sun because this car, it's a totally different car in the sun, you know, with that metallic. You can kind of see just on the front, but chilly today. Your factory tag there. Did a nice job with it.
Beautiful.
There's our sun.
Is it coming out now?
Yep.
It starts so easy. Oh, and the heater. Whew. Feels good, doesn't it?
It does.
All right. What do we got? I don't think what we got here. Make sure the door's shut tight. There it
It's
is.
a RetroSound radio.
Okay. Really carpeted in a little bit. Did a nice job.
Radio works.
Yeah, radio works good. Go ahead and shut that off. There we go. Volt gauge works. Oil pressure's at 50 pounds at an idle, and it's all warmed up already at about 145.
I believe this has the C6 automatic.
Horn works. With that radio, it's also got like the little Bluetooth. You can talk here too.
Oh, nice.
You kind of sit down in the seat pretty good. You know what I mean? You
Yeah.
got plenty of headline. For a big, tall guy, this would
Yep.
work.
Yeah.
Another big boy car,
Yeah.
right? And same thing here. I got the look at all the room.
Yeah, it's just unique.
Now the 63 had a padded dash. This one didn't have the factory padded dash.
Yep.
Okay. Temperature gauge up here works too. So the factory
Nice.
gauges, gas gauge, temp gauge work up in there.
The
plus
factory gauges look
aftermarket.
really nice and clean still too.
They really are. You know, it shows 99,000 is why. Started with a 99, probably a 99,676 mile car.
And then just did a excellent restoration.
What haven't we tried? We haven't tried our wipers here yet. It's so weird. You don't see too many, so I'm just kind
Trying
of
to figure
wondering
out
what
what it is.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's not it. I don't know.
Yeah, I think you said it best right away at the beginning. If you want something to take to a car show and get all the love with, something that
Yeah.
people don't see and that's very nice, it'd be this one. You put mirrors underneath it, show off that painted undercarriage.
Yeah, that's a cool car. It's something different, you know? Here's your brakes. No pull left or right. We might have to check into the wipers, either that or I'm not doing something right. I don't quite know. That looks like that's the switch for it. All the switches are all the same too. It's pretty cool.
It
That
is,
pulls
it's
out.
sweet.
That one doesn't. This one does. There's your right air and your left air, the old factory air from before. And they all work good. Your lights pull out.
And even the lights, you
Brake
did that, they
release
light
is
up in the
right
gauges
there.
and dash and stuff.
Lighter.
Cigarette lighter.
Pretty
And
cool.
that heater does work.
Oh my God.
It's heating me out of here.
We're shutting it off. Steer's good.
Yeah.
Speedometer works. We're out running the drone again.
It's got a nice shift, good sound.
It did. It had a nice firm shift.
Remember, I didn't shut my door all the way, but
Well, we'll
when
shut
we
it.
turn around,
Yeah.
I'll shut it all the way.
Yep. I say I don't have too much wind noise here.
No.
Again, high-speed brakes, perfect power disc. You know, the other one was manual drum, but that stops good too. I mean, it's a little different feel, but
Yep.
either one is fine. You can try it.
Yeah, we'll
Shut
get
it.
the door shut.
So the only thing that's not working is the wipers. And I don't know if it's driver air or or if it just needs a wiper motor. So talk to the salesman on that. We'll make sure you have wipers before this beauty ships out.
And that temp gauge is working too. That's come up.
Yeah, that's crazy. There's a low. Just kind of go through the gears a little bit.
Nice shift. Nice.
Just always want to show the customers how it shifts, right?
Yeah.
Speedometer works 70 mile an hour. It really goes down the road pretty nice, and it's a windy day today.
Yeah. It's a good car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.